Whoa, look, bare ground does exist still. Never thought I'd see this again. Things have been 50 degrees here lately and the snow's going quick, so that's a good sign. I didn't expect it to go this rapidly, but at least I'll be able to access up here more. But we're gonna take a look at the snow situation now and see if we can, that one's kind of deep, but we're gonna see what we can do up here. It's kind of early in the day, so this is all kind of hard still, but you can see the falcon again. Yeah, starting to see all the treasures now. Oh yeah, this is definitely doable. Can even get the blue highboy out of here. Yeah, a couple weeks ago it was still up to the bump side, so this is great. So, like all good ideas, there's usually some bad ideas into the mix. We're gonna see how many rigs we can get stuck. But I figured what better truck to pave the way out back than the Studebaker. If you haven't seen the video on this one, be sure to go check it out on my channel. But anyways, I'm gonna fire it up, back it over to the shop doors there and air up the tires a little bit. They're going down kind of slow, but just make sure they've got plenty in them. Don't want to wreck the tubes in these because they're hard to get. And then crawl underneath, check the fluids on everything, the axles, the transfer case, transmission, make sure everything's good before we go play in the snow. But let's get her fired up and pulled over there. Just under here checking fluids now. I'll grab the grease gun and get everywhere that needs greased. But so far these two rear differentials are good. So keep going, working our way up to the front. All right, went all through it, greased everything. All the fluid was good, except the transfer case, it was low. Looks like the seal's going out here. So I'll have to find one of them and change it out, but topped her off, so she's good now. And yeah, transmission, front diff was good. And then just added grease everywhere I could. A little bit of character up here. I love the winch mark around the drive shaft. I bet that's got a good story. Much like any of the battle scars on this thing, but it's always fun to crawl under these and see what they can tell you. But she's ready to go now. All right. Sure runs like a top. She just crawls right through it easy, no grunting or anything. Well, that was fun. Got to see some 6x action. She just crawled right through it with no effort at all. I didn't even have to hardly put my foot on the pedal. Just goes to show how low geared these things are and how much of a workhorse they can be when you need to pull something or, do that kind of stuff. But yeah, that was fun. Glad to be playing with her some more. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, be sure to let me know. But till the next one, I'll see you later.